Hi, good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine at home, enjoy your work and waiting for the school to open and missing a school lot. We understand that as you are missing, we all are missing to you also. Today, welcome to the another session of decimals. Today, what we will do today, we will do addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. So, in last lecture, I think so that you will very well know about what are like decimals and what are unlike decimals. So before doing any operation on decimal, first we convert into like decimals. Then we go further. Like same in this addition of two decimals, we do same thing. Suppose I have a question. I want to add three decimal number, 135, 11.3 and 17.82. In this question, I want to add these three decimal numbers. But if I just look at these three numbers, all are of different type. These are unlike decimals. So first, I convert these three decimal number into like decimal number. Like if I have 135, 11.3 and 17.82. First I will check how many more decimal number in any decimal number is there here. Like here, this is two decimal number. Is it one and is it no decimal numbers? Only whole number is given to you. So first I convert these three into like decimal number. Like here this is decimal sign, here this is decimal sign. I mark it here also decimal sign. So here maximum after decimal is 2 digits. So I convert all other numbers as decimal of 2-digit decimal number. If there is no digit is present, I mark it 0. Like here 13500, 1130, then 17.82. Now if you look at this, these are unlike and these are like decimal number. Before doing any operation, you have to convert all the numbers into like decimals numbers. Now next is you arrange the position. Like here, if I count before the decimal, this is 1, tens, hundreds, and after the decimal, tenth, hundreds. So I mark it here like 100, tens, ones, tenth and hundredth. Okay, 1 upon 10 consider as tenth and 1 upon 100 consider hundredth. This is hundreds, this is tens, this is ones. So I mark the position 135. After decimal, this is 0, 0. This is 11, 3, 0. Then 17, 8, 2. And between this is decimal. So in place of decimal, I mark it a line here to better more clarify. Okay, so what are missing places is there, I consider as 0, 0. Now I want to add the numbers. Like here, if you add this gives to 2. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 is carry. 1 is goes on this side. This is carry number. Okay, so now you add this 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 14, 1 again carry, then 3 plus 3 6 and no carry further 1. So it means that is my required number after the addition of decimal numbers. So that means if I add all these three numbers, so this line mark as my decimal number. So that will be written as 164.12. So that is the addition of these three numbers, 135 plus 11.3 plus 17.82 is equal to 164.12. But what we will do if I have a subtraction is there in place of addition? So in that case, I take another question, 53.63 minus 42.24. Condition is same. You have to arrange the position, but first you have to check whether two numbers are like decimal numbers or not? Here if I saw that 53.63 minus 42.24, after the decimal in both the numbers are same digit, it means these are like decimal number. So no need to convert further into like decimal numbers. I just arrange in the position. Here this is tens, ones, tenth and hundreds, same as tens, ones, tenth and hundreds. So I arrange it here 10, 1, tenth and hundreds. So between that, in place of decimal, I mark a line. So I write it here 5, 3 and 4, 2. Here 6, 3, 2, 4. Now I go with the subtraction of this. So 3 is smaller than 4, but 3 is upward, 4 is downward. So we carry 1 from that. If I carry 1 from that, what is left it here? 5. 13 minus 4 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. So that is left here. Then here 3 minus 2 is 1 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So that means after subtraction I get the answer 11.39. So that is the condition for addition and subtraction. But what we will do if both conditions come together, like addition will be also there and subtraction will be also there. Like in this question, if I have 4.72 plus 13.5 plus 0.546 minus 9.237. So what I will do if I have this type of question? Condition is same. First you apply the BODMAS rule. First choose these all positive numbers and add together. After addition, when you get the single answer, you apply subtraction rule, whatever applying above. Like here 4.72, 13.5, 0.546. Now I want to add these three numbers. Now condition is that first I have to convert all the numbers into like decimal number. Each number, if I check with here is 2 decimal places, 1, 3 and 3. So it means maximum to make a like decimal number, I have to arrange each number with 3 decimal places. Like here, if I change with 3 decimal places here, like 4.720, and 13.5 when changes into 3 decimal places, that gives me 13.500, and other is already in the 3 decimal places, so no need to convert further. Already those are in the like decimal numbers. Now here I go with first addition. Same position I write with. If I check with these are the 3 numbers, ones, hundreds, and after the decimal there are 3 places. So I go with tens place, ones place, tenth place, hundred place and thousand place. Now we arrange the number of addition numbers only, that is 4720. This is 5, 4 and 6. Here it is 0 and here is 13, 5, 0, 0 after the decimal, and make a line in place of decimal. Now I have to add these 3 numbers. Like here it gives me 6, 2 plus 4 6, 5 plus 5 10 plus 7 gives me 17, 1 carry here, like 5 plus 3 8, then 18.766. So that is my additional number. I get at 18.766. But now I want to subtract this one. So here first I will check, is it the same like decimal? Yes. Which is the subtraction number? So for subtraction, what I do, if it is a like decimal number, I arrange in this same place like tens, ones, tenth, hundred and thousand, like 9.237, and missing number consider as 0. So now I go with the subtraction. Here 6 is less than 7. I carry 1 from here. What is left is here 5. and 16 minus 7 is 9, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 18 minus 9 is 9. So my required answer is 9.529. That's for today. Hope you enjoy your assignment with addition, subtraction and mixed operation on decimal. Thank you.